Xinsheng Group, located in Wuxi, China, adjacent to Shanghai, currently has 3 business modules: prototype parts, LPDC aluminum alloy housings, and power subassembly business. The company currently has 230 employees, more than 200 processing and testing equipment. In addition, we have an office area of 40,000 square meters and 2 production bases. Wuxi Shinden Intelligent Technology Company Limited focuses on prototypes, machined prototypes and sand casting prototypes, and has served nearly 100 OEMs and Tier 1 power companies. This is our constant temperature workshop, which has more than 100 advanced CNC processing equipment. We also have 8 3-coordinate measuring machines, which make it possible to manufacture more precise products. Wuxi's Zhujiapin Precision Technology Company Limited focuses on the mass production business of aluminum alloy housing structural parts. Our company has 1 gravity sand casting production line, 2 gravity metal mold casting production lines, and 2 LPDC production lines, with an annual capacity of 200,000 sets, serving dozens of domestic and foreign customers. Our company continues to innovate in technology and obtain patents, including 13 patents such as foundry sand screening devices and new energy vehicle gearbox housings, covering the fields of mechanical processing and automotive parts. In May 2025, we obtained a patent for the integrated ring processing equipment, which enables the simultaneous automatic grinding of the inner and outer rings of the ring, significantly improving efficiency. Shinden Zinning Technology Company Limited is a mass production power subassembly company, focusing on the R&D, testing, and large-scale assembly of power subassemblies, such as electronic and mechanical oil pumps, shift actuators, and conductive rings. The company has over 20 R&D personnel specializing in software and electronic integration, more than 10 sets of various testing equipment, 2 automated assembly lines, with an assembly capacity of 400,000 units. We strive to provide high-quality products and services to global customers. Warmly welcome you to visit our company.